Good morning, Saugus. I'm Mykhail Tezai, and today is Wednesday, October 4th.
And I'm Holden Smith. This is SNN.
For today's Fact of the Day, we thought we'd tell you about National Substance Abuse Prevention Month.
National Substance Abuse Prevention Month was created in 2011 to acknowledge those who have lost their lives to substance abuse and bring awareness to the country's growing problem. Prevention activities support and inform individuals and communities to prevent the misuse and use of drugs and other addictive substances that can cause harm.
Addiction can start at an early age and can lead to substance use disorders and are often fatal. Studies show that if an individual starts smoking, drinking, or using drugs at a young age, they are more likely to develop an addiction over time. Going into this year, there have been at least 111,355 deaths in the U.S. due to drug misuse.
Underage drinking, illegal drug usage, and use of other addictive substances is still a common cause of death in the U.S. Today, however, there are many resources to be aware of, such as Too Smart to Start and the SAMHSA National Helpline. These resources both work to help prevent the dangers of substance abuse. Please stand for the flag salute.
Please stand. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may now be seated.
The parking lot is reserved for staff and seniors with parking passes. If you are parked without a valid pass, you will be ticketed and called into the AP office. Privileges including dances and school events can be taken away for students with outstanding tickets. Remember that the parking lot is also not a designated drop-off area. Students should only be dropped off at the Horseshoe. Juniors, Saugus will be offering the PSA on October 16th. The test provides practice for the SAT and is the qualifying exam for the National Merit Scholarship Program. If you're interested, you can register and pay at the ASB web store. Supplies are limited. If you have any questions, see your counselor. All students who purchase an ASB card must have a valid identification printed on their ID in order to enter games and events. If you recently purchased an ASB card or do not already have the identification printed, you must visit the ASB office to reprint your ID. Omega Sci-Fi's annual International High School Essay Contest is now open. All college-bound seniors are eligible for the scholarship. To apply, you must write a 750-word essay on what the younger generation can do to ensure that elected leaders understand the impact of gaining their vote. The deadline to apply is Friday, October 20th. For more information and how to apply, see the link in the Senior Counseling Google Classroom site. The Walk to End Alzheimer's will be this Saturday, October 7th at Bridgeport. The event is a fundraiser to support finding a cure for Alzheimer's. For more information, or if you're interested in attending, you can register using the QR code or the link listed below.
Now, let's go to Shaninga Vorges with this week's ASB Minute.
Good morning, Saugus. I'm Shaninga Vorges with this week's ASB Minute. For this Friday's football game, Saugus will be playing against Hart High School at COC. The theme is Pink Out. You can purchase your Pink Out shirts in the ASB office this week for $10. Make sure to come by to support breast cancer awareness. Can't wait to see you all there, decked out in pink. Seniors, don't forget to pick up or purchase your special senior merchandise. You can do so in the ASB office. That's all for me. Now let's go to Isabella and Mariscal with today's Saugus Sports Update.
Thanks, Janine. Good morning, Saugus. I'm Isabella Mariscal with today's Saugus Sports Update. Cross country competed in the National Cross Country Meet in Portland this past Saturday. The varsity girls welcomed back defending foothill champion Lucia Pearson and led by sophomore Annika Mark, finished third in the Danner Championship race. In the Division II race, the girls team finished first, led by sophomore Mykhail Whitman and anchored by junior Charlotte Graham. In the boys competition, Saugus was led by junior Sebastian Peraza as the team finished second in the varsity D1 race. In the JV race, Saugus finished fourth, led by freshmen Joey Casahara and Henry Saywell. Today, girls tennis plays Lancaster at the Antelope Valley College. Both games start at 3. Tomorrow, girls volleyball plays Golden Valley at Saugus. Frosh and JV play at 4:15 and varsity plays at 5:30. Girls tennis plays West Ranch. JV plays at West Ranch and varsity plays at Saugus. Both games start at 3. Also tomorrow, girls golf plays in the league match 4. Varsity plays at the Oaks at 12:30 and JV plays on the Chica course at 1. Frosh Foothill plays hard at Saugus. The game starts at 4. Good luck to all our Centurion athletes. The Open Play Intramural Dodgeball Tournament will be this week on Thursday and in the gym at lunch. Come to the gym to dodge, dip, duck, and dodge. That's all for me. Now let's go to Jacob Mendez with an important information on how to use Negron.
It's common knowledge by now that fentanyl is a dangerous and deadly drug. What many of us don't know is how we can help in the matter. After all, the drug is obviously dangerous, and yet after all the PSAs and drug safety videos, the issue still persists. I am to tell you that anyone can help, no matter who you are. There are resources and precautions that you can take that might just save someone's life. Narcan, or naloxone, is one such precaution. Opioids like fentanyl bond with receptors in the brain that revolve around emotions and pain. The nasal spray Narcan is designed to counteract these effects and is supposed to help with these opioid overdoses. Anyone who wishes can purchase this medication from their local pharmacy without needing a prescription. The nasal spray is easy to use and can be administered in emergency situations by simply placing the nozzle in the patient's nose and pressing the plunger down completely so as to enact the spray. If you're worried about a sibling, a cousin, a friend, or even just want to do your part in helping fight off this drug, having Narcan at the ready is one of the best ways to help.
Thanks, Jacob. It's important to know what resources are available during National Substance Abuse Prevention Month.
REACH will be hosting college guest speakers through the end of the semester. On October 9th, they will be hosting the Massachusetts College of Pharmacy and Health Sciences for periods 1 and 2. All presentations will take place in room Q 1715. Any junior or senior student interested in attending can obtain a permission slip from Mrs. Hilstein at lunch. The AES Engineering Scholarship is offering a $500 scholarship for high school seniors. You do not have to be currently in engineering courses in order to receive the scholarship. To apply, you must write an essay about yourself, addressing the prompt on the application. The deadline for entry is October 8th. For more information and to apply, use the link in the Senior Counseling Google Classroom. The Graduation Bucket List Club will be hosting Assistant Superintendent Mike Vieira this Friday at lunch in the S Lecture Hall. He will be discussing suggestions for before, during, and after a job interview. All students are welcome to attend. School pictures are available at the front desk. You can pick them up before school or during brunch and lunch. Today, at 11:20 during 5th period, there will be a national alert sent to all cell phones within the U.S. Students and staff should not be concerned at the alert, as it is a preventative measure to ensure all systems are still working.
That's all for today. I'm Mykhail Tezai. Stay tuned for SNN Radio and Saugus Today.
And I'm Holden Smith. Have a great day, and we'll see you tomorrow.